Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. For today's project, I'm going to share you how to cut and stitch this beautiful baby suit for 1.6-year baby. For that, I have taken a 1 meter printed cotton fabric and I'm going to share you how to do markings in it. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to do markings for the top portion. Width of the fabric is 14.5 inch and length is 15 inch. Now fold the fabric exactly as I am showing and make sure the front portions are equal. So this is the front portion. Now fold the fabric widthwise. So from the folded side, mark 1.75 inch. Then again from this point, mark 2.5 inch. Mark half inch down for shoulder slope. Then join this with the neck width point. Now from this point, mark 4.25 inch as armhole depth measurement. Extend these points. Mark 1 inch back neck depth. Then draw a round neckline. My chest measurement is 6.75 inch. So mark it. Extend these points. Now draw a armhole curve. With this marking is complete, now I am going to cut it. So when you open it, this is how it looks. Now I am going to mark the front neck. Mark 3 inch. And for my front neck, I'll draw a V neckline. Lift only the front portion and cut it. Now lift only the front portion and place it like this. Mark 1.5 inch from the bottom and draw a slight curve. Make sure your fabrics are equal, adjust it and then draw a slight curve. Now I am going to cut it. With this cutting of the top is complete, now I'll show you how to do markings for the bottom. For that, I have taken 2 layers of fabric. With this 13.5 inch and length is 9.5 inch, fold this by half in width. Now from this point mark 2 inch and from here mark 2 inch, then join these 2 points. Now I am going to cut it. I am trimming the excess fabric here. Now separate the front and back portion. With this cutting is complete, now I'll show you how to stitch. I have taken a bias tape of width 1.25 inch. Using this, I'll finish the armhole. Place the bias tape at the wrong side of the fabric and make a stitch. Then make a small cuts all around the armhole. Then turn it into the right side of the fabric. Make a top stitch here so that it will turn nicely. Now fold it twice and make a stitch. Similarly, I'll finish the other side of the armhole. You can see I have finished the armhole, both the armholes. Now I'll attach the shoulder. Make a stitch here. Always make a double stitch and also overlock the edges. Now using this bias tape, I'll finish the neckline. I am placing the bias tape at the right side of the fabric. I am not going to place it at the wrong side. If you want, you can give it at the wrong side and turn it to the right side. Now make a stitch here. Now make a small cuts all around the neck. Fold the bias tape twice and make a stitch. With this, stitching is complete. Now I'll show you how to stitch the bottom. So you can make a stitch here. Always make a double stitch here. Now I am attaching the bias tape at the wrong side of the fabric for the front portion. Then I'll finish this till the back portion. So I have started from here, then I'll go this way and I will end it here. So you can see I have started from the front portion like this and I have ended halfway. Similarly, I'll finish for the other side. Fold the bias tape twice and make a stitch at the right side of the fabric. Similarly, I'll finish the other side. Now you can see I have finished both the sides. This is how it looks. Now I overlap both the front and the back portion exactly like this. And I'll make a stitch up to here. Firstly, fold the back portion twice and make a stitch up to this point. Then overlap with the front portion and make a stitch. Similarly, I finished the other side. So I have finished both the sides. Now for the belt portion, I have taken a piece of fabric. Now I'll attach this with the bottom portion. Make a stitch here. Then trim the excess fabric. Now fold the belt like this once, then twice and make a stitch. Leave half-inch space to insert an elastic. Width of the elastic is 1 inch. I am inserting an elastic using the safety pin. Now overlap both the elastic and make a stitch. Secure the elastic by making a stitch at the inner edge. Now make a top stitch. With this, my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.